Bitcoin, often hailed as the digital transformation of capital, has become a focal point in the financial landscape, manifesting a shift from analog to digital wealth. In the past 5 days alone, a staggering $481 million has migrated from traditional assets to the digital realm through exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This movement underscores a broader trend of capital transitioning from conventional forms to the ever-expanding domain of Bitcoin. In understanding Bitcoin's role, it's crucial to frame money as economic energy. With an estimated global wealth of $900 trillion, tethered to real estate, stocks, bonds, and currencies, Bitcoin emerges as a potent force in the realm of economic energy. It represents a fundamental shift, a digital metamorphosis of wealth that transcends geographical boundaries and traditional financial structures. The linchpin of Bitcoin's allure lies in its capacity for capital preservation and appreciation. In a world where analog capital, embodied by bonds, real estate, and stocks, faces the specter of decay, Bitcoin emerges as a hedge against such erosion. Its decentralized nature and finite supply position it as a resilient guardian of value, impervious to the vulnerabilities inherent in traditional assets. One exemplar of embracing this paradigm shift is MicroStrategy, which has strategically pivoted to position itself as a Bitcoin development company. By realigning its identity, MicroStrategy leverages its enterprise value to venture into the vast expanse of the digital asset market. This maneuver allows the company to tap into capital markets, issuing securities that fuel the acquisition of more Bitcoin. In essence, MicroStrategy's mission extends beyond mere accumulation. It aspires to champion the Bitcoin network, fortify its holdings, and actively contribute to the growth of the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. As of February 5, 2024, MicroStrategy boasts a formidable arsenal of 190,000 Bitcoins, acquired at a total cost of $5.93 billion. The company's commitment to this digital reserve is underscored by the recent addition of 31,725 Bitcoins, procured for $1.25 billion post the third quarter. MicroStrategy's resolute stance and substantial holdings underscore its conviction in Bitcoin's capacity not just as an investment but as a cornerstone in the company's strategic vision. The surge of capital into the Bitcoin asset class is not merely a financial trend, it signifies a release of 10 years' worth of pent-up demand. The recent facilitation of mainstream investor access through ETFs has been a catalyst, triggering a seismic influx of capital. Initially prompted by rebalancing portfolios, this flood of funds attests to the realization of high demand for Bitcoin as a viable and attractive asset class. In dissecting Bitcoin's rise to preeminence, its uniqueness becomes a beacon for investors seeking diversification. Novel, digital, global, and uncorrelated to traditional risk assets, Bitcoin stands as the world's most popular investment asset. Its attributes transcend the limitations imposed by specific countries, currencies, companies, or traditional risk factors. This inherent resilience and versatility position Bitcoin as an indispensable component of a responsible investor's portfolio. The unfolding narrative of Bitcoin's ascension also underscores its pivotal role in the transformation of the financial landscape. The digital nature of Bitcoin, coupled with its global accessibility, renders it impervious to the constraints of localized economic fluctuations. It transcends the borders and boundaries that traditionally constrained wealth mobility, offering a truly borderless form of economic energy. MicroStrategy's journey epitomizes the paradigm shift catalyzed by Bitcoin. Its rebranding as a Bitcoin development company is not merely semantic but reflective of a strategic pivot that aligns with the evolving dynamics of the financial ecosystem. By actively participating in the Bitcoin network's development, MicroStrategy is not just safeguarding its wealth, it is actively contributing to the evolution of a digital financial frontier. As Bitcoin continues its trajectory as the world's most sought-after investment asset, its impact extends beyond individual portfolios. It represents a departure from traditional financial instruments, signaling a new era where economic energy is not confined by geographical or institutional boundaries. The digitization of capital, as exemplified by the movement of billions through ETFs, is indicative of a broader paradigm shift, one where the digital realm becomes the epicenter of economic activity. In conclusion, the confluence of factors, the surge of capital into Bitcoin, MicroStrategy's strategic repositioning, and Bitcoin's unique attributes, paints a compelling picture of the digital transformation of capital. As traditional assets face the looming specter of decay, Bitcoin emerges as a beacon of resilience, offering not just a store of value but a pathway to a digital financial future. It is a testament to the evolving nature of wealth, where the boundaries between analog and digital are not just blurred but redrawn in favor of a more inclusive, global, and resilient financial landscape. Please go ahead liking, subscribing, and sharing with friends to support our content. The information is for general purposes. Viewers should conduct research and consult professionals for financial decisions.